Hi guys, welcome back to another video. On this video, I'm gonna show you how you can private your Instagram Reels. Welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the process. So first of all, to private your Instagram Reels, go to the Instagram app. Once you open it up, go to the account settings that is appearing in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you hit that, as you can see, I don't have any Reels. So what you have to do, let me just tell you. If you have Reels here, so just go to the Reels and delete them, because there is no direct option of just privating your Reels. So you can just recover it for the 30 days and your Reel will be private for 30 days. And how to recover it, I'm gonna show you. Go to the hamburger icon that is appearing in the top right corner, scroll down and you should find account privacy. Go to account privacy and make your account private and just share the Reels with the private people, and that is how your Reel will be private. Otherwise you just have to delete it and you can just recover it in 30 days, and that is how you do it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Life for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries, leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.